Hello everyone, welcome back to Chocolate Gamer 1. Now, you see, last video I said I would upload another video soon, and that video was being made now. So, yeah. We're gonna be doing another fydeOS video, because that's what I said I'd make, is another fydeOS video. The day after I uploaded the original. And last video, you know, we installed a calculator app. A multi-use one too. So, yeah. And we're gonna be using, and today we're gonna be experimenting some more with it. Using 4K video. And I'll continue recording after I get all. Oh yeah, also did I mention that this video is gonna be in 4K? All in one perfect calculator. Yeah, we'll see that. But yeah, I'll start recording once we have all the apps I want. Well, be right. Okay, welcome back. So, what I've been doing is charging the camera. And now I am going to go find like an art app. And is this. I'm gonna download that one. But yeah, expect more videos. Caps lock off. Cool, it doesn't show it. Oh yeah, and did I mention that it is not my normal setup? As all know, this is my basically Chromebook, but Google Files. You know, you can click that. And yeah, we should be getting a sketchbook soon. Install sketchbook. I want this sketchbook. Give me sketchbook. What you do? Me sketchbook. Okay. This is pretty much the end. I agree. Allow.
Yep.
Okay.
No.
Now we can full screen this. And now we get to. Oh yeah, this. Oh. Finish. What is this? Oh, don't be. Please, war.
I'm not doing.
Oh my. Oh. And yeah, so this is my drawing. This is so weird. Oh, I'm sorry. That's my that's a different TV, a smart TV at that. It always goes to the same channel, so don't mind that if you hear so much weird things. Just remember, oh. Delete this layer. This is just, this, oh. Well, that's all for today's video. For now, if you'd like to see more videos on Raspberry Pi, please like and subscribe. Good.